Hello. During an on-site visit to the hardware and hotel supplies wholesale market, we found that the Nanfang Shashi Hardware and Hotel Supply City was established in 2000. Located on Shashi Avenue in Luopu Subdistrict, Hanyu District, Guangzhou, near major export ports such as Nansha Port and Huangpu Port. Spanning over 200,000 square meters, this massive complex houses nearly 2,000 retail stores and supplies a full range of hardware and hotel products to customers worldwide. The trade fairs held every spring and fall, along with numerous specialized exhibitions, provide international trade opportunities for market vendors. The product range includes kitchen equipment, ceramic tableware, glassware, stainless steel products, guest room amenities, lobby supplies, hotel linens, hotel appliances, hotel decor, as well as cleaning supplies, coffee equipment, disposable items, catering supplies, food processing machinery, hardware and appliances, bedding and occupational safety equipment, etc. Industrial clusters are located in Foshan, Dongguan, Zhongshan, Chaozhou, Guangzhou, and other areas. For example, the Chaozhou region is home to a ceramic tableware industrial cluster. The stainless steel products industry cluster is located in the Foshan area, while the cleaning equipment industry cluster is located in the Guangzhou area. The supply chain logic behind wholesale market stalls. Most of these businesses are middlemen or authorized brand dealers. The business cards you receive will not include the factory's address or name, and it's up to you to decide whether to purchase after receiving quote. There are also some factory direct stores whose business cards list the factory address. Many people assume that finding a factory direct store means they've found a good source of goods. The advantage of intermediaries and distributors is that they are skilled at running a business and have built up a long-standing network of customer relationships and market experience. However, they lack the capacity to conduct systematic screening across tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of factories. Their relationship with the factory is based on long-standing habits, shared interests, and experience-based judgment, rather than an objective assessment of the factory's overall capabilities. Factory outlet stores guarantee that you're getting products straight from the source, but they offer no assurance that the factory in question has a competitive edge over its peers. There are likely thousands of factories in China's industrial clusters that manufacture hotel appliances alone, and even more that produce disposable items. A factory direct store represents just one of those thousands. The true role of a procurement agent is to systematically screen through these tens of thousands of factories to identify the most suitable one based on the client's specific requirements. Map coordinate distribution of factories for various products in China. The detailed information for each factory map coordinate contains over 100 items. All factory information is then scored across these dimensions. Rigorously select the best factories from a massive pool of factories. How can I help you? Goodbye.